My name is Caesar Cavelli. Listen, my first love was my last one. She stole my heart, she pulled a fast one. Now I was broke, I got a cash one. And now I don't even smoke, but after this they gotta pass one. See, I thought we'd be together for a lifetime, but baby, you took away my lifeline. I told my bros I'm about to wife mine, but now I'm looking back, bro, I wasn't in my right mind. You played games the whole time, I got the evidence. You were me.